Hello everyone! Today we are going to learn outline in CSS. First, we created our div with some information in it, saying outline is in CSS. So we first open our style tag, then we put our div element, we open the curly brackets, enter, then it closes automatically in Visual Studio Code. Then we put font size so it becomes bigger, and I'm a little bit blind, I need bigger things. Now we are going to start with the outline style. Are just the same as the border. I'm not going to show everyone every outline, but you can try it out on your own. Then we are going to the outline width. The outline width, it's the width of the outline. It's auto-explainable. I think looks like it looks more thin. It looks thinner. Let's keep the thick. Now to the color. Outline color. Outline color we can put as an example like violet. Doesn't matter. We changed. This is the same as the border, don't you think? Now let's change the style. Put as an example dot, and then put a border. The border shorthand. We are going to create border, 2 dots. First we put the width, then we put the style, and finally we put sorry, of course we put the color. Golden rose, it looks nice. Here we go, you can see the border appeared inside the outline. You've noticed something, right? The outline, it's the border of the border. It's like the border, it's to the content. It's just the same thing, don't you think? Now, let's use a shorthand as well for the outline. Outline also have a shorthand just as border. We just need to copy it like one rem for now. Let's put dotted again. And the color tomato. I don't know why, but I like tomato. The tomato color. Now we've learned the shorthand of the outline and the relation with the border. We are going to use the offset. Outline offset. And we can put 1 rem. If you put 1 rem, it will only create a space between them of 1 rem. 3 rem, it will create a bigger space. It is not showing because I have it only in one side of the screen, but it will show in every direction, of course. So now you've learned that the offset, it's like a margin of the border. The bigger the offset, the bigger the space between the border and the outline. So in this video, you've learned practically everything you need to know about outlines and the relation with border that they have. So, thank you guys and see you soon.